What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing some accessories on my Tesla. Those accessories are going to include my carbon fiber spoiler I just got, some mud flaps, and also some pedals, some performance pedals I just ordered. First I have to go walk my dogs, which I just finished. And now I have to go walk a client through a home and go show a house, a new build, so hopefully that goes well. We'll get the deal done today. But after all that said and done, you're going to see the video of me in the garage working on this car, man, and I'm excited. I couldn't wait to get this spoiler. Man, it's gonna make the car look a lot more sportier, if you know what I mean. Also, the mud flaps are gonna help protect the paint from dirt, rocks underneath, and the performance pedals, that's really just because I just hated seeing the black pedals under there. It just didn't look right. So yeah, normally if you would have got this package from Tesla online, it would have cost you over $1,000. Not the mud flaps, but everything else is included in the performance package for an extra $8,000, and you get to go a second faster. So it didn't really make sense to me. Ordered my own spoiler, ordered my own mud flaps and my own performance pedals, and I think they came out well. So yeah, before we get to the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so you know every time we post a video here on this channel. And if you guys have any suggestions on what we should do next, please let me know down in the comments below. And let's go walk this house. You guys are coming with me. Yay!
It's hot.
They're too hot, bro.